Hey guys, Steve Freeman here. Okay, so this video I'm putting together for more of our bar back series, more of our bar maintenance, bar owner series. Okay, so you guys have a 3-compartment sink, you have a mop sink. This video will work for you if you have a T&S faucet fixture on either one of those things. So if you don't have a T&S, this video means nothing to you, and go ahead and shut it off. But if you have a T&S faucet figure on your mop sink or your 3-compartment sink, this video will be for you. So you have your cold and your hot water handles. If they start to leak, they'll start to drip, they'll start to not close all the way or whatever. This is a quick video for you guys to be able to do this. It's really, really simple. You don't need to call a plumber. You guys can do it yourself. I do it all the damn time on my faucets. All you need is a crescent wrench and a Phillips screwdriver, and you can take care of this immediately and take care of your leaks in your faucets. Okay guys, now the first thing that you want to do is you want to shut off the hot water valve. So you go underneath, shut off the valve, shut off the one or cold water, whichever one you're working on. We're going to be working on the hot water valve, which is this one right here. All right guys, first thing that you want to do, hot water valve, we're going to turn this off. Then we're going to go up on top and start working. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our crescent wrench. This is real simple, guys. Okay, so then what we're going to do is counterclockwise. Oh, forgot the old lefty-loosey, righty-tighty kind of stuff. Cool. And it basically just comes loose just like that, okay? You can even uncrank it just like that. Look how simple that is. Okay, these are great. They're just cartridges that sit right down in here. Okay. Okay, it unscrews just like that. Can you see it? Okay, some of these, you can take this apart right here, and you can just replace certain stuff inside. This one's worn around here. I like to replace the whole thing. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of that. Easiest place to find these guys is over at Grainger. I don't know if you guys have that in any city near you. I don't know if you can see the part number right there. So go pick these up, order them through Grainger. Okay, now let me open this up. I'm coming. Okay, I had found the other side of this after I'd opened it. See if you can see right there. Okay, now take these out of its pack. It comes just like this. Okay, you can see the cartridge right here. You can see everything here. Unscrews here. You see the brand new seal right there. Okay, just make sure that's all the way up. Now this right here is the other screw. You want to make sure this is down. This tightens up the spindle. Spindle meaning this stem piece right here and how tight it is when you open and close the valve. Okay, that's how simple this is. It's one piece. Simply put it right back down in here. Screw it on down just like that. Sorry about that. Take your crescent wrench. There you go, nice and tight. Now what we're going to do on this one, on the old handle, this little guy right here pops right off. See a little red piece? Hello! Okay. See his handle? Okay. We're going to go ahead and take this off. Okay. Little screw pops off. Handle comes right apart, just like that. Take the handle, set it on here. Let me see. Okay, that looks about right where it shuts off. You can just move it around to where you kind of want it. I want mine right about there. Take the screw on the top. Put this screw back in. You don't really need a drill, but I don't have a screwdriver near me. Okay, just make sure that's on there nice and good. See how it stops right there? That's the off valve. Put your little red guy in here that marks it that it's hot. It'll snap back on there. There we go, just like that. Now I'm going to go under here and turn the valve on. Okay guys, now underneath the sink, right here, there's your hot water valve. Your cold water valve is back over here. So whichever one that you're working on, we're working on the hot water valve. So right now, we're going to turn this on, and then we're going to go up top. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we turn the valve on. Voila! Voila! See how easy that is, guys? It's really, really simple. These T&S faucets are really made really simple. You just basically undo the cartridge, pull them on out, put the new one in, ready to roll. Hey guys, I hope this helps you guys. This video was put together because I've had problems with my faucets and stuff like that in the past. Didn't want to call a plumber, needed to fix it quickly. I hope this video helps you guys. Until our next video, I'll see you then.